And then we're gonna use the pry bar. Just like that. She's out. Alright guys, what we got here is a Buick Allure CX. What we're gonna do today is CV axle on the driver's side. We changed rotors and pads on this on the front already. We're gonna do CV axle. Let's get started. Here we go. Take out the caliper brackets. This whole thing will come out. Loosen this big nut right here. I believe this is 3/4 on this one. I cracked this open already, so this is loose. Alright guys, so take out this nut right here that holds the bracket to the caliper. We're gonna use a 15mm socket on that one. Alright guys, so take out this lower strut mounting bolt. Those two right there. What you use is 13/16 sockets. Goes in there nice and snug. Alright, so this axle is ready to come out now. Just make sure push this CV axle out. And then we're going to use the pry bar and pry the edge of the CV axle. Just like that. She's out. Changing this because of that CV axle is torn apart. Some people, they would put a brand new CV boot, but for me, I'm gonna put a brand new one. Alright guys, here's the brand new one we got. AC Delco Advantage CV axle. Here's the part number 1934-2299. Comes with a new axle nut. I'm guessing it'll be different size now from the original one. So always compare the new one to the old one, making sure we get the right one. Make sure that they're decent size. The link, eyeballing it, looks the same, looks nice. Let's go look at the inside of the pin where the C-clips goes in. Make sure it's the same distance. Looks good to me. So alright, let's put this brand new back in there. Alright guys, so putting this new CV axle in is pretty much the same thing as what I did when I took it out. Just do the reverse order. So now we're gonna put this in. What I do first is gonna put a little bit of anti-seize inside of this spline here. Just put a little bit, just like that. and then we'll put this in on the transmission. Here we go.
Rockstar Audio.
Torque this axle nut right here. I believe 150 or 160 foot-pounds. Right now we're gonna have to bottom that nut inside the axle, 34 mil. That's how you change that CV axle, guys. That's it. So make sure double check all your work. The key is that CV axle is pushing into the transmission. Double check those two nuts right here, and the bolts that holds the bracket to the knuckle, and the main bolt right there. So that's how you change the CV axle on this Buick Allure 08 and newer. So make sure don't forget to subscribe my videos, this channel. We're gonna grow this community on this channel, so make sure you like the video. I'm gonna do more videos just like this one. So next video will be, I'm gonna do the passenger side hub assembly and the rear brake pads over there. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you again. See ya.